Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Stripe to ConvertKit to sell digital products, subscriptions, and more. Stripe handles payments, and ConvertKit manages your email marketing and customer relationships. This integration is key for creators looking to automate their business and focus on what they do best, creating. As of December 2025, this integration is used by approximately 250,000 businesses and has shown a 30% reduction in chargeback rates when using Stripe's SCA enhancements. Connecting Stripe and ConvertKit lets you monetize your audience directly through your email marketing. Sell courses, memberships, digital downloads, and newsletters seamlessly. ConvertKit acts as a front end for Stripe, embedding payment forms directly into your landing pages and email sequences. This eliminates complex coding and integrates payments with your customer relationship management. The connection between Stripe and ConvertKit hinges on two key elements: API keys and webhooks. You'll need your Stripe publishable and secret keys. The publishable key is safe to use in client-side code, while the secret key must be kept secure on your server. In Stripe's dashboard, you can access these keys under the API keys section, with options to reveal them securely. Webhooks are real-time notifications from Stripe to ConvertKit, triggering automated actions like sending a welcome email after a successful payment. This ensures a smooth, automated workflow where events from Stripe instantly update ConvertKit. To begin connecting Stripe and ConvertKit, first create a free Stripe account at stripe.com. Once your account is set up, navigate to the API keys section in your Stripe dashboard to generate your publishable and secret keys. These keys will allow ConvertKit to securely communicate with your Stripe account. Next, log into your ConvertKit account and navigate to Settings, then Integrations. Select the Stripe option and paste your publishable and secret API keys from Stripe into the corresponding fields. This establishes a secure connection between the two platforms. Now you can embed Stripe checkout directly into your ConvertKit forms and sequences. This allows you to collect payments for one-time purchases, digital products, or recurring subscriptions. Simply add the payment elements to your forms and configure the pricing and products. Before processing real payments, always use Stripe's test mode to simulate transactions and ensure everything works correctly. This prevents accidental charges and helps you verify your setup. Once tested, switch to live mode in both Stripe and ConvertKit. Once Stripe is connected to ConvertKit, start by creating a new form in your ConvertKit account. This form will capture subscriber information and handle payments seamlessly. In the ConvertKit dashboard, navigate to Forms and create a new form. You can customize the fields to include email, name, and payment options. Next, add a payment element to your form. ConvertKit integrates Stripe checkout directly into the form, allowing visitors to make secure payments without leaving your site. Configure triggers in ConvertKit to automate actions based on payment events. For example, send a welcome email when a payment succeeds, or add tags to segment your subscribers. Use the ConvertKit settings to configure these triggers. This ensures your subscribers receive timely communications and your lists stay organized. Set up subscription models with options for monthly or yearly billing. Include features like proration for mid-cycle changes and free trials to attract new subscribers. The subscription setup process can be visualized as a flow, where users select plans and ConvertKit handles the billing cycles automatically. Manage subscription upgrades, pauses, and cancellations directly from ConvertKit. This streamlines your workflow by keeping everything in one platform. Webhooks enable advanced automation by connecting payment events to marketing actions. When a customer successfully subscribes through your Stripe ConvertKit integration, a webhook automatically fires from Stripe to ConvertKit. This triggers a personalized welcome email sequence, welcoming the new subscriber and providing access details. If a payment fails due to insufficient funds or an expired card, a different webhook detects this event. ConvertKit can then automatically send a payment reminder email, including a secure link to update billing information. This reduces churn and improves conversion rates. Webhooks also enable subscriber tagging based on purchases. For example, when someone buys a premium course, the webhook tags them as premium member in ConvertKit. This allows for targeted marketing campaigns, sending exclusive content or upgrade offers only to those subscribers. This webhook automation saves significant time by eliminating manual follow-ups and ensures a seamless customer experience. Creators can focus on content creation while Stripe and ConvertKit handle the payment workflows automatically. A common issue when connecting Stripe to ConvertKit is incorrect API keys. Double-check that you've copied and pasted both the publishable and secret keys exactly from your Stripe dashboard, as even a single character error can break the integration. Also, ensure your Stripe account is fully activated and not in test mode for live transactions. Incomplete verification can cause payment forms to fail. For best practices, segment your audience based on purchase history using ConvertKit's tagging system. This allows you to create targeted marketing campaigns that speak directly to customers' interests and past behaviors. Targeted marketing based on these segments can increase conversion rates by up to 50% as customers receive more relevant offers and content. Regularly test your payment forms using Stripe's test mode to prevent issues and ensure a seamless user experience. This includes checking for failed payments, form loading times, and mobile responsiveness. Following these best practices leads to improved metrics like higher retention and successful payments, as shown in this dashboard example. The creator economy is booming. Expect deeper AI integrations for personalized payment flows and fraud detection. ConvertKit may introduce no-code visual builders for complex payment funnels. As payment regulations evolve, the integration will likely emphasize privacy-first features. This Stripe ConvertKit integration puts you at the forefront of creator monetization, enabling you to scale your business efficiently.